Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make app notifications show on the lock screen on an iPhone or iPad in iOS. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To make app notifications show on the lock screen, open the Settings app first and then scroll down and select Notifications from the list. Within here, scroll down and have a look for the app or apps you want to make notifications show on the lock screen for. Tap on each app you want to change the setting for, and then ensure that the blue checkbox is ticked under where it says lock screen in the alert section. And so that is how to make app notifications show on the lock screen on an iPhone or iPad in iOS. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.